Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sound effects on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. So first of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the two lines at the upper side of the screen and go to the settings icon. In the music and sound section you can find the sound button and just click that, and new the sound is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.